EYRE. What is that? I never heard. Wow. Okay, so everyone, good morning. Good morning, Ira, Patrick, Abigail,
Yes,
Cheshron, Bettia. Oh, they are.
sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, sorry, sir, for disturbing the class yesterday. I promised
Uh,
to accept the homework and I promise to not say that you're annoying and all. I'm sorry, sir. I'll not do it again.
it's okay. It's okay. No problem. Okay. So we will start our class. So where were we?
We were in simple interest.
Yeah. We'll do some question. I'll give you one question.
Sir, did you give homework yesterday?
Yes. It's in the Ira, did you write in the
Yes,
group?
sir. I sent it in the group.
Yeah. It was there in the group, Big Deal. I'll give you one question. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm giving this question. Try to do this. Okay, that is. Hello,
Hello,
can you hear me,
sir.
guys?
Yes, sir.
What happened to my network? Okay, let me write that question again. Second. Okay. This is the question, guys. Edric, can you read this?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, read it.
A sum of money amounts to 1,265 in 3 years and 1,430 in 6 years at simple interest. Find the sum and the rate.
Okay, so can you guys try it, or do you want me to do it? Okay. How could you do it?
So the amount after 3 years is 1,265. Amount
Yeah.
after 3 years is 1,430.
Everyone do it, please. Abigail, Vidya, and Joshua, turn on your camera, please.
Sir, it's the wrong method, sir.
Why wrong, beta?
Sir, because you're using three variables, I, P, and R. You can only use
Yeah,
two.
I will make it two. Just give me a Okay. So now we got the answer, the final statement. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what I did, we know that a sum which is principal, it amounts to 1265 in 3 years. In 3 years, it becomes 1265. Okay. So amount in 3 years is 1265. I don't know the principal, I don't know the rate, I don't know the interest. So interest is equals to P into R into 3 upon 100. Why? Because interest formula is P into R into T upon 100. P I don't know, R I don't know, I know there's no time, and upon 100. Did you understand, Abigail? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I
In
understood.
the same way, this interest formula will also become 6 PR upon 100. Why? Because 6 is the time, and P and R I don't know. Ira, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now amount formula is principal plus interest. Principal I don't know, and interest I got, which is 3 PR upon 100, so I wrote it like that. And the amount is 1265, so I make this equation. Can you see that? In the same way, this will become like that.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I think you should minus 1 4. Oh, you do 1430 minus 1265, and that will be the interest for 3 years because it's 6 minus 3. 1430
Just give me.
minus 1265. That's the interest for 3 years.
Let me get it. I will subtract it. Here it's the coordinate equation.
Interest for 3 years is
If I will
Yeah, 165.
Mm, answer. 55 signal 330. I'm getting 1100.
Sir,
Yeah.
I think I think we should minus like 165 equals to interest for 3 years. Then interest for 6 years is you can say 330.
Yeah. What's the answer? 7, 8, 4, 5. Yeah, correct. Mine is correct. Okay, listen, guys. This is correct. Okay, what I did. Okay, now everyone, please pay attention. This is very easy way if you will understand it. Okay, so amount in 3 years is basically I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. Yes. So first I calculate the I. I is equals to 3 PR upon 100 for 3 years. And for 6 years is 6 PR upon 100. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Still here any problem? Betya, Joshua? No? Then
No
we know
problem.
the amount is equals to principal plus interest. Now principal is given, which I don't know. I I just take bring which is 3 PR upon 100. So I put it like that. And the amount for that is 1265. So 1265 equals to P plus 3 PR upon 100. Did you understand? No. Okay? Did you understand, guys? Okay. So in the same way, this amount for 6 years is amount plus principal plus interest is equals to 6 PR upon 100. So amount is 1430. Principal is principal, 6 PR upon 100. Did you understand, Edric? Is there any problem? This is amount for 6 years. This is amount for 3 years. Did you understand, guys? Edric, Justron,
Yes,
Ira,
sir.
Abigail.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is second equation, this is first equation. So I subtract second minus first. So second is 1430. 1430 minus minus. First is 1265, 1265. I wrote it like this. In the same way, the first one it will come like P plus 6PR upon 100 minus minus sign P plus 3PR upon 100. Did you understand, guys? Adric, Ira? Yes, Abigail. Ask me.
I was saying I understood.
Okay. Now this minus sign will multiply with both the numbers, this and this. Okay. So this plus P will become minus P and plus 3PR becomes minus 3PR because the minus sign is multiplying with both the terms inside the bracket. Just now, did you understand, beta? No. Okay. So this plus P and minus P will become 0 and 6PR upon 100 and 3PR upon 100 will become 3PR. Did you understand, Ira? When I subtracted, I got 3PR upon 100.
Okay, sir.
Now 165 is equals to 3PR upon 100. Then I calculated, then I got PR as 5500. P into R is 5500. And I put the value of PR into this equation. Okay, instead of PR, I wrote 5500. 6 into 5500 upon 100. This will cut. Okay, this plus into like 6 into 55 is 330. 330 will go to the left side and become 1100. So the principal is 1100.
Then rate also you
Did
need
you
to find.
understand?
Sir, you need to
Yeah,
find
rate
rate
we
also.
also have to find. I don't have space. I have to create space for the rate.
Sir, you can write here or here. There are two big
Yeah.
spaces.
I'm writing here. Okay, quickly write it.
Sir,
Cookie.
Yes.
Cookie.
can you explain the last part again? The purple one.
See, we got the value of PR is 5,500. Yes. Okay. Now I put the value of PR into this equation, which was amount plus P plus 6 PR. No. So I put it like that here. Now 5,500 is there, upon 100 is there. So this and this will cut. Yes, just Sean.
P plus.
So to find the rate, you could just because PR is equal to 5500 and P is equal to 1100. So you could
No,
just
we have. Yeah. Yes, Sean. Yeah, we can do that. We are doing that only. Okay. So 5,500 when you will put it, so 6 into 5,500 upon 100. This 0 and this 0 will cut. Just Joshua. Now 6 into 55 is 330. That 330 will go to the left side and become 1100.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Okay. Okay, understood, sir.
Okay.
Sir, don't erase it, sir. I'm writing, sir.
Okay. Abigail, Ira, Betya, general camera, please.
So my camera is on.
yes, yes.
No, Betya. I mean, everyone understood.
Yes, sir. So P plus 6PR upon 100 is the amount, no? P plus 3
Amount for 6 years.
Then
Amount for 6 years.
the amount for 3 years is P plus
Right.
3PR upon 100.
Sir, I'm
Yes.
very sorry about yesterday for disturbing your class. Sorry, I called you this.
Betya, turn on your camera, please.
By itself, it unmuted.
Abigail, are you getting this or not, beta?
I finished writing it, sir. I'm writing the rate percentage.
No, you're getting this, no? Questions?
Yeah, I'm getting it, sir.
Okay.
When you first solve the question. I didn't know how to do it, but I just
Ah,
observed this question, so I'll try the next question.
okay, good. Tell me when you're done, guys.
Wait, sir.
Uh, मम्मी मेरी बात मानो, सरफ का पानी लो और बस वो करके धो दो, और कुछ नहीं, सब कुछ रिपेयर हो जाएगा। ये पूरा जो भी किताब से बाहर से आ रहा है। डन।
Wait, sir. Almost done.
Okay, I'm giving you this question. At what rate of interest will simple interest be half the principal in 5 years? So Abigail will do this question.
Yeah, I should just solve it privately, or I have to explain it.
Yeah, explain it. How will you do this?
Okay. So we can take the principal as x, and
Principal is X.
we can take the simple interest as x by 2.
Okay.
We can take the time as 5 years,
Hmm.
and we need to find the rate. Is that correct?
Okay, do it. Yeah, it's correct. Very good. Good understanding.
Wait. So the rate. First, you can say that P I
Edric, quietly, please.
Sir,
Yes.
how did you cut P and P over there?
Okay. So I'll write this step. Basically, it's pay by 2, no?
Yes, I is
Is
equal to
equals to P into R into 5 upon 100. Okay. So what I will do, I will send this 100 to this side, should become 100P. And this 5 in the denominator should become 2 into 5 is equals to P into R. Did you understand? Okay. So now it will become 10P is equals to P into R. Did you understand, Edric?
yes. I also got 10P equal to PR. So you can
Now
cut the P's.
this is multiplication. Now it will go, it will divide. So it will become 10P upon P is equals to R. This and this will cut, so 10 is equals to R. So you can, because they are in multiplication. Now if plus is there, then you can't cut. Understood?
10P is equal to PR. So you can cut the P's that 10 is equal to R. R is 10%.
Yes. Yes.
So this question looked very difficult, but it's very easy.
Oh, that's just so easy question.
Yeah.
The first question looked easy, but it was complicated. The second question looked complicated, but it was easy.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do one more question. Shall I read this?
Yes.
1 minute. Okay, I'm raising this. Ira, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Ira will do this question. Here's the question. What does this mean, Ira?
Okay, so like the time is 8 years and it doubles.
Hmm.
To find how much time it takes to double 4 times.
Yeah, 4 times with the same rate of interest as well. So how will you do this?
I don't know.
No problem.
Okay. I think you
Try
need
to
to
do
find
it.
the rate. I think first you need to find the rate, and then the principal. I mean, then the principal will become 4 times after how many years?
Okay, let's check.
To find
We'll
the
check
rate.
this.
Sir, I think we should take the
Mhm.
principal as P, and then we
Ah,
can tell that the amount in 8 years will be 2P.
yeah, 2p.
But sum is
Correct.
principal.
Yeah. So it is written that amount become double of the principal. So it means that
The sum of money, principal will double after 8 years. The principal will double after 8 years.
yeah. So that the double principal is what?
2p. 2p is equal to
Hmm.
p. Double itself. P. P.
No, principal is also same, but the amount, the certain amount of money double itself, like the interest become double.
No, the certain sum. The principal will double. After 8 years, the principal doubles.
For example, if 1,000 rupees is the principal, after a year,
It becomes 2,000.
after
It becomes 2,000.
it becomes 2,000, na. So it means that the interest is also 1,000 rupees, na. Understood, guys? What I'm trying to say. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
See,
Yes,
if we'll take one example, 1,000 rupees is the principal. So after 8 years, it becomes 2,000. 2,000 is the amount, na. So it means that what is the interest?
1,000.
1,000 rupees. So if we are taking principal as P, so the interest will also P.
so that means we can do interest of 4 years together is four is interest of 4 years together is half the principal.
No, it's equals to principal.
Okay, interest of 4 years equals to principal. So interest
Yeah,
of 1 year would be P divided by 4.
we don't need it. I will do this. I'm doing on the board. You guys try it, whatever you have, and then I will also write it down on the board.
So you're saying that the interest is also P.
Okay.
Like, amount is equal to P. 2P. Interest is equal to 2P minus P. P. Time is 8 years. Time. So I got the interest is also P. So P is equal to P. 8 PR by 100. Hundred P PR. 100 P 8 PR. 25 P 2 PR. 25 is equal to 2R. So R is equal to 12. Now R 12.5 is you can say that R is also equal to 25 by 2.
Hmm.
Yeah. Interest.
I think the answer is in point. Why? No, no, no. Correct, 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 correct. This is the answer. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. Everyone, please pay attention, guys. Can you hear me? Betya,
Yes, sir.
pay attention. Okay, so now it is given that a certain amount of money double itself in 8 years. Okay, so we know that amount is equals to principal plus interest. Okay, so the amount is become double of the principal. So 2p it will become. So what is the interest? Interest is equals to p. Did you understand? Ira? No. Jashwan? Jashwan, did you understand, beta? Okay. So now instead of I wrote p, and p is equals to p into r into 8 upon 100. Now this p, I mean, this will become like this divide. It will go to the left side, become multiply, so it become 100p. 100p is equals to p into r into 8. Now it is multiplication, it will go divide, and this p will cut. So it means that I got rate as 12.5 percentage. Did you understand, guys?
Sir,
Yes.
so we saw that the interest of 4 years is P.
Yeah.
So interest of 8 years would be 2P.
No. Interest would be interest of, sorry, say it again.
Interest of 4 years would be P.
Interest of 8 years is P.
Hmm.
Then interest of 8 years is P. Then interest of 16 years is 2P, and interest of 24 years is 3P.
Yeah,
Okay.
because every 8 times 1p is adding, no?
Every
Yeah.
8 years, 1P will get added. So in 32 years, the interest will be 4P. And the amount will be 5P. Because
Okay.
Because amount is equal to interest plus P.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I am trying to say that interest of every 8 years, one P will be added. Did you understand, guys? Better didn't understand thing. Better please ask me. Understood? Here Geo network is not working because of clouds.
Sir,
Yeah.
Yes, no, that's better.
because uh,
Yeah.
I took like 3P is the interest. No, 3P after when amount becomes 4P, the interest is 3P. So 3P is equal to P into rate, just 25 by 2. I took rate as 25 by 2 into T upon 100. So the 3P, I got 25 PT upon 200. So 3P is equal to PT upon 8. So that means 24P is equal to PT. So 24 is equal to T. So T is 24 years.
Okay.
I cancel the
Yes,
P.
correct. Correct. Now, yesterday I gave which questions I gave as a homework?
Example 29, example 32, CYP 8.5, first 3 questions.
First 3 question, na? Now today, because network is not working, because it's cloudy. Let's see. So
Yes,
today's
no,
question
that's
number
better.
4. Yeah. Question number 4. Abigail, please write it down. CYP 8.5, question number 4. Question number
Sir,
5. Yeah.
sir, I'm out today. I don't have access to my mom's WhatsApp.
Okay, Ira will message. Ira, right? Question number 4. Question number 5. Question
Uh,
number 8 and 10.
In CYP
8.5. Yeah. So this is your homework. We'll stop our maths class. In 2 minutes, we'll start our science class. Till then, bye, Abigail.
Bye, sir. So tomorrow will you explain this sum because I don't know how to do it.
Which sum, beta? This P1?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
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 Edric.
Yes, yes.
Someone in my family said to ask you if you're Pragnananda's cousin.
No. I'm not.
Okay, I'll let them know.
Hello.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes.
sir. So tomorrow is there a test, sir? Is there a test?
We'll take test next week. Tomorrow is no test because everyone is not prepared.
I am
So
prepared,
we'll
sir.
take.
I am prepared, sir. I'm
Yeah.
ready to do tomorrow. I'm ready to do tomorrow.
Okay. So we'll check it out with everyone. What the majority, and then we'll decide. We did this chapter, no? Chapter number 29, we did, no?
Nah, we didn't do this, sir.
We didn't did? Okay, okay.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, I was waiting for you to do this chapter only because I did the previous chapter, no. So I was waiting for you to do this chapter.
Oh, okay, okay. Good. So, natural environment. So, what do you mean by natural environment, Ira?
Natural environment, as in nothing where there's any like cities or buildings, like
Yeah.
where everything nature, whether it's animals, trees, plants, or
Okay. Okay. Betya, what do you mean by natural environment?
Forest, rivers,
Okay. Forest rivers. Only two things?
uh, land where there's no pollution, I guess.
Land without pollution.
Matlab like without any uh, buildings or any, what's that called? Factories, due to
Without
which we
building
get
with.
it.
Okay. Uh, like a farm field. There is no pollution. There is no back things, but it is a natural. Is it natural? Betya? Unmute.
Yes.
Okay, so means a farmer who is making his farm, who is using crop cultivation, so it's a natural environment for you, according to you.
I guess.
Okay, okay, okay. Edric, is it correct what Betty is saying? Uh,
Sir,
yeah, yeah, Edric. Yes. So is Betty saying is this correct? a farmer who yield field is a natural environment?
The
Can you hear me?
farmer is the farmer
Yeah.
farmer is not natural environment,
But
but the place where the farmer goes to work is the natural environment.
okay, so my question is basically that a farmer buys a land and he is doing his crop cultivation. So is that crop cultivation which he is doing, is it a natural environment?
The crop cultivation, the crops are natural environment, but the tools that they use for cultivation are not natural environment.
Okay, okay, okay. Dishon, what about you? You don't know? You want to give a try? What your views on that?
Natural environment for me always, like when I say natural, it means nature for me. As in
Hmm.
not in the city, outside, like in the country areas. But
Hmm.
for someone who is used to the city, that will be their natural environment. For someone who is born and brought up in the mountains, that will be their natural environment.
So, sir,
Hmm.
Can vary from person.
Yeah.
like all those trees around you, that is natural environment. But the house is not natural environment. It's man-made.
Yeah.
Whatever is
Yeah.
by man is man-made. The others are natural.
Okay. So Sam, are you there?
Yeah.
So what according to you it's natural environment?
So, 1 minute. My camera is not working properly. There's something wrong. Just a second. Is there anyone else left?
Joshua is left. Joshua, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What according to you is a natural environment?
Natural environment is a place which is naturally made up and not man-made, and
Okay.
also it's the best place for wild animals, and it's natural environment like for living things is like forest, wild animals.
Okay.
Yeah.
Forest, wild
So,
animals. Okay. First,
for
yes.
me, there can be different types of environment. Just a second.
Hmm.
I don't know what's wrong with my camera. Yeah, now it's okay. There can be different types of environment. There can be natural environment. There can be man-made environment. So, environment is basically stuff around you, like the things that are around you in the state you live in. But
Hmm.
natural environment means when everything is natural, when there are trees around you. But there can be man-made environment also, like the buildings, the offices, all the man-made structures that are
Hmm.
around you. But natural environment is like when there are many different, like if you are living in a forest, it's very natural. So trees are not made by man. Means you put a seed and then the plant grows, and then after that God makes it. But then but only the seed you put it. So it's made,
Hmm.
most of it is made by nature. So it's natural. So when there's a thing that is made by
Hmm.
nature and it's in your environment, it's called as natural environment.
So a farmer who
Sir,
who do plowing and who put the seed and who do the crop cultivation, is it a natural environment?
Yeah, but
Okay.
except like the things, the tools and stuff, and where he lives and all is not natural because he makes it. The farmer or someone else makes it, right? The
Okay.
like the house is not
Okay.
nature.
Okay. Yes, I think you're saying something.
sir,
Yes.
natural environment is God made, but man-made environment is man-made. That means only humans will build stuff. God doesn't build all these houses and all. Only humans will build this house. God will plant the trees.
Okay.
Humans also can plant the trees, but they are not
Yeah.
doing it much.
But they don't.
If humans also plant the trees, Earth will become the best planet to live in.
Okay. So yeah, some people lives in tree house. That is called as natural. Like uh, they are doing that. But you guys didn't give me the answer of my question. That is the cultivation by the farmers is a natural environment or not?
Yes, it's natural.
Okay.
Yeah, the cultivation, just that the farmer is sowing the seeds. That's the only man-made thing where, but yeah, the man is only putting the seed, but the seed is made by another plant. When a sa- when a plant is sown,
Hmm.
another seed comes out of the plant, and with that seed we plant another plant, and that plant is also natural. So the only thing that man does is put the source in the soil. No, the seed in the soil. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, Ira, are you saying something?
So like cultivate and like put it and then remove it, right? Like rice and wheat and stuff.
Hmm.
That is not a natural environment because we ourselves are putting it. If like the plant dies itself, if the plant plants itself, then that is a natural environment.
Okay. So now my point. So my point is I will be with Ira. Okay, right. See, I told you natural environment is the environment which occurs naturally, which doesn't have any control of any man. Like if in the forest, yeah, if it's in the forest, a person will water the plant or not water the plant. That forest will grow. Understood? So there is no intervention of any human beings. It's called as natural environment. For example, mountain. Okay, if a human will put a rock or not, the mountain will always be there. Yeah. In forest, if trees are there, so if person put a water or if there is no rain, still the forest will be there because it's naturally developing. There is no interference of any human activities called as natural environment. Now, for the farmers or the cultivation point of view, I believe that, and I think that uh, that cultivation, even the farmer is sowing the seed and everything is going naturally, but the interference of human is there. Okay, for example, if we only put the seed, will the crop grow? The crop needs manure. The crop needs irrigation. The crop needs the insects things. I mean, to protect them from the insects, needs pesticides and everything. So every time there is a interference of human being is there. So I believe it's not completely natural
Sir,
environment. Yes.
sir, DDT. Sir.
Yeah, DDT.
Mhm.
So these things are basically not completely um, we can say natural environment. Okay, Sam? Did you understand? So there is because of human interference in flowing, human interference in putting manure and fertilizer, human interference in for the water. Because like if you will see the cultivation has fixed period. Like if you will sow in April, May, then you will get crop. But if you will do in unfixed manner like February or January, then you will not get any crop out of that because the time period is not fixed. So basically, I believe farming or cultivation is not a natural end. We can say that it's a 70-30 ratio. 70% human beings and then 20 or 30% by the nature. We can say like that. It's not a natural environment. So from the definition, from the name itself, the thing is all living beings, all non-living beings that occur naturally on the earth. Naturally means that there is no human interference. It will all natural nature. Understood? Like in the nomadic tribes period. What is nomadic tribe period? Do you know, guys? Okay. Betty will tell me. Betty, what is nomadic tribe? Okay, Chishron, what is nomadic tribes period?
It's a time when not many people were staying in one place and they were traveling all across the earth, just traveling.
Yeah, so correct. Yes,
So nomad means they'll move.
yeah,
They'll move somewhere. They don't have a home means they'll move somewhere. Everywhere they'll keep on moving. They'll not stay in one place.
yeah. So nomadic tribe period means they have sheep and camels and cows with them. Like Joseph, we can take an example of Joseph. So when they are moving here and there, Isaac and Abraham, so they are moving here and there. So they can be like called as a nomads because they are moving here
They
and
were
there for the
nomads.
Lord's. They are not nomads, but the example I'm giving. I'm not saying they are nomads. Okay.
It's
But I'm just saying,
when you hear nomad, it sounds like that person is not mad.
yeah. So basically, they don't have fixed home. They don't have fixed home. They don't have any fixed place to live. But like for example, they came to Rajasthan. If they find the soil fertile, if they find something fertile, and they can live there for some time, and after time they will shift. Then
Sir,
they will shift. Yeah.
so they'll grow their own food over there for some time and then they'll go somewhere.
So they believe in slash and burn agriculture. Basically, what happened? What they will do that they will go near to the
So
forest.
first, so
Mm.
they first cut all they cut some trees on that area. Then
They
after that
won't cut. They basically burn that area.
they
You know.
burn the area, and they think that the nutrients will grow if we burn the area. Then after that, uh, they'll grow the plants there. Then after that, all the nutrients goes from that place because all the plants
Mm.
take all the nutrients. So then they move to another place, burn the place, grow plants in that area, then go all around the world, grow
Yeah.
full plants, then
So
come back to the
so
same place.
because at that time there was no introduction of manure or fertilizer was there, so they believe when they will burn their trees, the ash. The ash will work as a fertilizer for them, and for some time they will get nutrients from it also. But if they are not getting any nutrients, they will take their sheep and goats and whatever the animals and they have. They will move to the another place. So this is how it works as a slash and burn agriculture. So basically, they are removing the natural environment for their own sake, for their own plants' sake. Did you understand? No.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah. Yes.
sir, did like those people know how to both grow crops and to hunt animals?
Yes. They comes after the civilization, like Indus Valley civilization, Harappa civilization. Then after that, they come. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
those people, they're
Mhm.
in India. They call they're those people are called as from J or something. The starting letter is, I forgot.
Then apart,
The crop has a name.
what is the name?
The
What's the
crop
question?
burning the land and growing the crops. It has a name. I don't know what it's called. Let me just check. They burn the land. You told an example, no? The nomads burn the land and then they grow the crops. That there is a it has a name. That crop.
Okay. Okay. Sir wasn't farming institute by God, therefore the God sent him out in the ground to which. See, farming is there. Okay, farming is there. So I mean, I believe that Adam and Eve. Okay, so if we will go little deep in that, so Adam and Eve and God's creation. Okay, but we will see there Canaanites, there Midianites. Okay, these all are come after Abraham, but if I will take one example,
Sir,
it's a little controversial. Okay, so everything, I mean, God
sir,
created, and they have access for the farming and all because they are the chosen one. Okay, I will talk later. This one we'll talk later. I will create a question. Yes, yes, Sam.
it's called Zoom cultivation.
June cultivation. Yeah,
Yes,
correct.
okay. Sir,
Yes, yes.
but did those people know how to like burn the crops and then like
Yeah, they know because at that after the Stone Age, they came. The civilization came. So this is after the Stone Age, and in the Stone Age only the fire invention was occurred.
the
So
discovery of the fire, like stones, two stones, they rub on each
that
other.
was in the Stone Age.
Yeah,
That was in
Stone
the
Age.
Stone Age.
When they
But in
discovered
that,
fire, when they discovered
but
fire.
in their age, I guess they were doing with the friction of woods. Like when they like this, they do friction of wood. So in
Yes.
that time, so yeah. So we'll not go in SST time, SST subject. We are just going in the science, the remaining science. Okay. So ecosystem and its component. Okay. So what do you mean by ecosystem? So can you read this, Joshua?
Ecosystem and its components. Living organisms draw their nutrition and oxygen for survival from the environment. In the process, plants and animals interact with each other and also their physical environment. Thus, an ecosystem may be defined as a biological environment consisting of all organisms living in a particular area, as well as the non-living physical components of the environment with which the organisms interact.
Interact. So, for example, there's an interaction of living organism and the non-living organism both. For example, we'll take
So the living organism is called the biotic component and non-living organism is called abiotic component.
abiotic component. That is correct. But what I'm trying to say, there's an interaction between the abiotic components and biotic components. Now, listen, guys. So basically, if you come to Rajasthan, so what is the abiotic things? Abiotic things is basically the temperature, basically the sand,
the desert,
basically the land, basically the availability of water.
Like
This is called as abiotic.
How fertile the soil is, like that.
Yeah, so this is all abiotic. And biotic is all living thing like trees, like animals and all.
Camel, cactus.
Okay, so now there is the ecosystem which is created. Okay, so now if you will go to the aquatic ecosystem, so it's water,
Yes.
it's availability of oxygen, yeah,
Dissolved oxygen.
it's animals. So their interaction between the abiotic components and the biotic components. Biotic is called as living things organism, and abiotic is called as non-living thing organism, like this water, temperature. So there's an interaction between that. It's called as ecosystem. Understood? That ecosystem is basically the interaction of living things and the non-living things. Okay. Can you read after that, Jashan?
A.G. Tansley in 1935 put forward the concept of ecosystem. The word ecosystem is derived from the Greek word oikos, meaning home, and systema, meaning system. An ecosystem can be natural or human designed. How are these two different from each other? All ecosystems that exist in nature are natural ecosystems. They can either be terrestrial or aquatic. Grasslands and deserts constitute the terrestrial ecosystem, while rivers, ponds, and oceans from the aquatic ecosystem. On the other hand, man-made or human-designed ecosystems is an artificial ecosystem. Example, gardens, aquariums, crop fields, etc.
You can see here also the crop field, which is the human-made design ecosystem. It's not a natural. Natural, you will not see the farming of wheat. Naturally, if it is there, so you will not see that. The human has to interfere and they have to create a crop field human-made ecosystem. Did you understand, guys? Samuel? No? So basically, you can see there are two types of ecosystems are there. First is abiotic, and the second is biotic. Now, what do you mean by abiotic? Abiotic ecosystem is basically all the non-living things.
things present in the ecosystem is called abiotic.
Yes. So you can see the table. The left-hand side table: sunlight, temperature, precipitation, water, soil, air. These all are called as abiotic. And the biotic, you can see all the living things, like primary producer. So do you know who is the primary producer?
The plants, the trees, the plants.
Yeah,
Ah.
the plant. Okay.
First,
If you are,
first the like deers will eat. This is also called food chain, I think, right?
Yes.
yes.
Yes, I also want to talk about food chain. Like many food chains constitute a food web.
So the deer eats the plant, then the lion eats the deer, then the eagle eats the lion, right? No, the vulture eats the lion, or
Yes,
anything,
yes, correct. Correct,
or a
correct.
crow eats a lion.
So,
Crows are
yeah, we can
omnivore.
say crow, bear, and let's crow.
But crow is such a small animal to eat a lion.
I mean, he will not eat full lion, so some of the parts like that. The whole family will eat the lion.
Like,
Okay.
hello everybody.
We have,
Today I'm going to eat a lion.
yeah.
Nobody.
Okay.
I am Mr. Crow, and today I'm going to eat a lion.
Okay. So you can see that how this ecosystem works. So, like sunlight is there. Okay. That sunlight gives the sun rays to the plants. Plants will make their food. Okay. Now cow will eat the plants. Okay. Cow is a herbivorous. Okay. And that tiger will eat the cow. Okay. Now deer will also herbivorous.
A tiger
Okay.
eating a cow?
Yeah. Okay, so now you can see the soil, earthworm, fish, water. So this is all ecosystem, and they are both interacting to each other to have dependency on each other. For example, if I will remove the abiotic system like soil from that area, will the plants grow?
No, sir. So, and
With
the plant won't grow, the animals will not have anything to eat. No. At least the
yeah,
herbivores
not
are-
eating also, not habitat also. They will not have
at
habitat
least the
also.
herbivores will die, and then the carnivores won't have any herbivores to eat. So the carnivores also die.
So
If one complex
now
goes, the full thing
And
goes.
we will also die at the end. Sad
yeah,
life.
and if I will remove all the plants from that area, so if plants you will remove, the soil will have soil erosion, there will be no nutrients, and even that area was become a barren. So it means that
We can die.
uh,
We can die directly or indirectly. With soil erosion, we can die, or without having any food, we can die. Any
yeah,
two
so
of
basically they both are interacting to each other, making dependency on each other. Did you understand? Yes or no? So this is how it works. So we'll do till here only. Till here. Tomorrow we'll go more deep in this chapter. Today is the introduction. Tomorrow we'll go more deep into this chapter. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off.
enjoyed the
Tata
class.
Shabam Kasavar. Sayonara.
Bye.
Sayos
Bye,
nada.
sir. Thank
Sayos
you.
nada.